Hi, I'm Dustin Holston, personal trainer and sports nutritionist, and I'm here to share with you a diet hack that not only I've been using for the last 4 years, but my clients too, and that is Phorm Meal Replacement Level 1 Protein. This is a true meal replacement protein. This is one that you substitute an unhealthy meal or a meal that you don't have time to make with a nutritious shake with 5 grams of BCAAs, relatively low carb for my keto folks out there, and only 150 calories. It also includes 24 grams of lean mean protein. It uses low temperature whey protein concentrate, low temperature milk protein concentrate, and low temperature whey protein isolate. So it's got a mixture of fast and slower digesting proteins to help you stay fuller longer. It also tastes amazing. We've got a ton of flavors out there, folks. You can bake with it. Something that we do, we make some pancakes, some other stuff out of it, some cookies, some protein balls. They're hits at parties. But anyway, if you're looking to lose weight or gain a little bit of muscle, I suggest Level 1 Meal Replacement.